And CTV's Zoraida Allman is next with details of another disturbing investigation. Zoraida, this is a personal support worker facing charges of voyeurism in connection to long-term care.
Michelle, the OPP say they were contacted and made aware of the alleged incident by the long-term care home. An investigation began on September 7th, and police have now laid charges. According to the OPP, the charges stem from an incident that happened in August. A personal support worker in a long-term care home in Guelph, Aramosa Township allegedly took intimate images of one of the residents. CTV News has learned the alleged incident happened at Eden House Care Facility on Wellington Road in Guelph. A statement from the home sent late this afternoon reads, "Upon becoming aware of the allegation, we immediately commenced an investigation and notified the Ontario Provincial Police and the Ministry of Health and Long-Term Care. We have fully cooperated with the OPP and the ministry's investigations."
It's one of these cases where we really are there to protect the vulnerable, people that have achieved quite a lot in their lifetime, and they certainly don't deserve to be disrespected in this way.
The OPP is calling this an isolated incident, but as the province pushes to fill the shortage of personal support workers across Ontario, advocates worry about adequate training and vetting of qualified workers.
My fear is that this is evidence of exactly what I was worried about, that we are in a mad dash to fill these homes with warm bodies, and we're not properly training or vetting these individuals before they enter these facilities.
Others say allegations as serious as this have nothing to do with training.
I just want to reassure people that this is not how long-term care is across the province. It's not a normal thing at all. And, there's no question that staff know they're not to take pictures of residents or any personal identifying information.
One of the areas of focus for our legislation in the fall is very much the issue of transparency and accountability. So that's something that will be a focus of the legislation. As I said, with regards to the specifics, however, the police are handling this case, and we have to let that process unfold.
22-year-old Kyla Elizabeth Sconsby of Cambridge has been charged with voyeurism and distributing voyeurism material. And again, the OPP say this is an isolated incident. There is no evidence to suggest there may be other victims. Eden House says the accused employee is no longer working at the facility. She is scheduled to appear in court on October 29th. I'm Zoraida Allman. Michelle, back to you.